This month's hyperfixation is learning how to sew, so come watch me struggle through my secondest project ever where we turn this frumpy shirt I never wear anymore into a cute summer tank. The idea is to add some gathers and reuse as much of the lace detailing as we can. I first took the whole thing apart, couldn't figure out how to properly use my seam ripper, so just resorted to cutting, and then we just freehand cut the whole thing into pieces like this. After this, I sewed a straight stitch, pulled one of the tails to make the gathers, then sewed all the back pieces of it together before starting the detailing on the front. I was really sure I'd break a needle trying to sew the buttons on with my machine, so hand stitching it is. Adding the Pintex was also a lot of fun, even if they ended up kind of uneven. Stitch in the ribbons from the cuffs, attach the front pieces, give it all a good iron, and voila, progress check, it is looking great. Of course, we still have to make and attach the straps, and I think the crick in my neck was getting to me at this point, because tell me why I decided to wing these and end up with one uneven and another with the raw edges poking out. Not to mention, I also totally forgot about the ruffles in my original sketch. Something else that wasn't in the original plans was adding a zipper, but I realized I was definitely going to need one if I wanted to fit the whole thing over my head. I found a cheap set of zippers on Mercari and started attaching all the pieces together while waiting for that to get here. By now, I could finally see the light at the end of the tunnel, and it was super satisfying seeing the whole top finally coming together and looking a little bit more like what I'd originally envisioned. I also, was not going to make the same mistake twice, so I actually made sure to watch a few videos on how to attach a zipper before starting the whole thing. Honestly though, not really sure how much this helped. My lack of skills in a concealed zipper foot meant my final product still looks a bit like a baby trying to draw a straight line, and she also gets stuck pretty easily. But who cares? She's so frilly and bouncy and lacy, and I'm pretty happy overall with how I did, especially considering it was my second project and I didn't use pattern. Okay, that's it. I'll be back with more projects the next time I'm bored. Bye!